According to a recent rumor, the next generation iPhone SE may feature a glass back, just like Apple's iPhone 8 and 10, suggesting it'll feature wireless charging. After debuting an inductive charging solution with Apple Watch, Apple is moving forward to integrate the technology across its portable device lineup. Along with this year's handsets, wireless charging will make its way to other products like AirPods. In addition, Apple is slated to market its own charging pad called AirPower, which can power up to 3 wireless devices at the same time. The so-called iPhone SE2 could end up looking very similar to the glass-sandwiched iPhone 4 series, and could ship in the first half of next year. An Indian site, Text24, recently claimed that the new SE will have the iPhone 7's A10 processor and 12-megapixel rear camera, along with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 5-megapixel front camera. Its display may come in between 4 and 4.2 inches. Anything bigger than 4 would be a significant change. Text24's reputation isn't established, however, and a separate rumor hinted that Apple could axe the SE line altogether. In November, however, China's Economic Daily News said Apple was moving ahead with plans to manufacture an iPhone SE2, after the original version saw success as a small format, low-cost alternative to the larger iPhone 6 and 7 series. While more expensive than many Android smartphones, the 4-inch SE is still Apple's cheapest iPhone, starting at $349. Thanks to a premium build and relatively low out-of-the-door cost, iPhone SE has helped Apple gain market share in up-and-coming regions like India. To gain a foothold in the populous country and comply with local sourcing laws, Apple has tasked manufacturing partner Wistron to produce SE units in India. Wistron is also rumored to build the iPhone SE2. Over 75% of the smartphones sold in the country cost less than $250, and the iPhone has a marginal share of the local market. It's expected that local manufacturing will help bring down the cost of iPhones in India, but whether buyers will take to the high-end platform remains to be seen. Apple has asked the Indian government for a number of exemptions following the start of production of iPhones within the country, and Indian officials signal that they are considering the requests.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.